Integrations are crucial for unlocking the full potential of Calendly automation. They connect Calendly to other tools you use, enabling seamless data flow and extended functionality. Calendly offers native integrations for popular apps like Zoom, Slack, and HubSpot. These integrations are built directly into Calendly, making setup quick and easy. For more complex workflows or integrations with less common apps, you can leverage no-code platforms like Zapier and Make. These platforms allow you to connect Calendly to thousands of other applications without writing any code. Calendly's REST API allows custom integrations for advanced users, enabling webhooks to trigger external systems. Security is a top priority for Calendly integrations. OAuth 2.0 authentication ensures secure data sharing and user permissions control access levels. Key fundamentals to keep in mind when deciding on integrations. Ensure they use OAuth 2.0 and have user permission controls to avoid any potential data breaches.